Hi everyone, I am Ayushi Jain working as a legal intern with Lexis Q and Company. Today in this video I am talking about Supreme Court issue notice on life convicted Asaram Bapu Priya to suspend sentence for medical treatment. The Supreme Court on Friday issued notice in Priya filed by self-styled Godman and life convicted Asaram Bapu challenging the Rajasthan High Court order wherein petition seeking temporary suspension of sentence to pursue medical treatment was dismissed. A bench of Justice B.R. Gawai and Krishna Murai heard senior advocate Siddharth Rutra submission on behalf of petitioner and proceed to issue notice, stating that it would be returnable in 1 week. The court further agreed to examine if the petitioner can be temporarily shifted to Ayurvedic center as sought by him. Rutra argued before the court that the petitioner was a 83 or 84-year-old man whose medical condition was dry and required immediate holistic medical treatment. The present report of the court and submitted that the treatment at AIIMS Jodhpur was not sufficient as he had been given blood thinner, thereby making him bleed profusely. The court asked Rutra if there was any center in particular where the petitioner sought to be admitted, and Rutra informed the bench that he wanted to be treated at Prakash Deep Institute of Ayurveda. Accordingly, the bench issued the notice in manner on 21st May 2021. A bench of Sandeep Mehta and Justice Devendra Khachua of Rajasthan High Court had directed the District of Jail Administration to ensure that Asharam is provided with proper treatment, a nutrition diet, and a safe environment looking to his old age and medical condition. The court refused to grant him the relief after the pursuit of rape convicted medical treatment submitted by the All India Medical Science of in Jodhpur, where he had admitted after contracting COVID-19. Importantly, the court said suspending the sentence awarded to the appellant in the case would nothing short of an exercise in fulfilling, because immediately on his relief from the central jail Jodhpur, he would require to be taken to the state of Gujarat in connection with the case pending trial, as production of warrant certainly would be enforced. The court also rejected the prayer of to set a medical facility at his ashram in Pal village, Jodhpur, so as to provide him treatment, while nothing that whenever he had been taken out from the prison, even for attending the date of hearing during the trial, his follower would form huge gathering which would create law and order situation. Asaram Priya, an application for temporary suspension of sentence had been moved by a life convicted Asaram Bapu in a sexual assault case, aged about 83 years, who is also facing trial in another court at Gujarat involving the offence under section 376 of IPC, which states punishment for rape, is presently in custody in connection with the said case as well. He got infected by COVID-19 virus while suffering life imprisonment at the Central Jail Jodhpur. As a measure to provide a treatment, he is shifted to the MDM Hospital Jodhpur and was later on shifted the All India Medical Science AIIMS to Jodhpur. In intervening period, as per the medical report, he developed internal gastrointestinal bleeding as result wherefore his hemoglobin dropped to a critically low level, and accordingly he was provided treatment for the said disorder, including blood transfusion, etc. Court called for a medical report. Therefore, after the Rajasthan court on May 19 sought a report on a medical condition of Asaram Bapu, a life convicted in sexual assault case, who is presently undergoing treatment at AIIMS Jodhpur, taken account his medical report, the court noted that as per the conclusion of the treating doctors at the All India Institute of Medical Science, AIMS, Jodhpur. The condition of the application appellant was stable, and he is fit for discharge. However, it had been advised that the appellant required further investigation and follow up for his gastrointestinal bleeding. Thus, his counsel argued that he wished to receive Ayurvedic treatment at the medical facility at Asaram at Pal village, Jodhpur. It was also submitted in case the sentence awarded to Asharam are suspended, and he and his follower are ready and willing to abide by any condition which may be imposed by the court. However, rejecting his prayer, the instant application for temporary suspension of sentence was dismissed by directing the district and jail administration to ensure that proper treatment is provided to a convict appellant at the stable medical institute in light of the observation made in the medical reports. The certificate issued from the All India Institute of Medical Science, AIMS, Jodhpur. Thank you.